So students, as we have already started our chapter number 1, what is long and what is round in our previous class. So let's take a quick revision of it. The ladder is long, the plate is round, the bat is long, the ball is round. The bottle is long, the cap is round, the brush is long, the sun is round, the carrot is long, the tomato is round, the broom is long, the bangle is round. So I hope you were able to distinguish between what is long and what is round. So students, in our today's class, we will do one activity. In this activity, we will put several things on a slide and see whether they slide down or they roll down. So come, here we go. Hello students. So here I have one tomato, one lemon, one pencil, one chocolate, one book, one soap bar and one sharpener. So let's see whether these things rolls down or slides down. So first we are starting up with this sharpener. This has a flat surface. So let's see what is the result. This is sliding down. The flat surface thing will always slides down. Okay. Then here is the soap bar. This is sliding down again. Here I am using this pencil. This has a round surface. This surface is round. देख सकते हैं ना आप, कर्व है सरफेस में, फ्लैट नहीं है. तो ये क्या होगी? Let's see whether it rolls or it slides down. This is rolling down. If you will observe it slowly, you can see it rolls down. This bar of chocolate slides down. This lemon has a curved surface. सब जगह से curves है, no corner, no flat surface, so it will rolls down. This book, this slides down. See? Now this tomato. This has a round surface. You can see सब जगह से round है. No corners, no flat surface. So it will rolls down.
Come kids, let us now learn the concept of what rolls and what slides with few examples. So let's start. The first example is a ball. A ball rolls. And a pen also rolls. Then comes an apple. An apple rolls. Then comes an orange. An orange also rolls. Objects that are round will always roll. Now this is a phone, mobile phone, and this will slides. Then comes a book. The book will slides. This is an eraser. Eraser will slides. Then comes an sharpener, and a sharpener will slide. Object that has flat surface will always slide. Now this is a dice. Can you tell me a dice will roll or slide? Can you tell me? Guess, guess, guess. A dice will slide. Very good. A dice will slide because of its flat surface. Now this is a mango. Can you tell me a mango will roll or slide? Guess, guess, guess. A mango will roll because of its round surface. Next come a tab. Can you tell me a tab will roll or slide? A tab will slide. Very good, because it has a flat surface. Next comes a carrot. Can you tell me a carrot will roll or slide? A carrot will roll. Very good, because it has a round surface. So come kids, let's see which 3D shapes can stack, slide or roll or can do all of them. So first come cube. Cube can stack, slide but can't roll. Then comes cuboid. Cuboid can also stack, slide but can't roll. Next comes spare. Spare can only roll. It can't stack and can't slide. Now comes cone. They can roll and slide. You can stack them on top of other shapes but can't stack other shapes on top of it because of their pointed top. Next comes prism. It can slide but can't roll. We can stack it on top of other shapes but can't stack other shape on top of it because of its pointed top. Now comes cylinders. They can stack, slide and roll. They can do all the three activities. Students, come let us now solve some question answer and I hope you will be able to answer them all. The first question is, name any two vegetables that are round and can roll. Think, think, think. Which are these vegetables? Yes, potato and cabbage. They are round and can roll. Our next question is, name any two fruits that are round and can roll. Think, think, think. Which are these fruits? Yes, orange and watermelon. Both are round and can roll. Now the next question says, name any two vegetables that are long and can roll. Think, think, think. Which are these vegetables? Yes, brinjal and corn. Both are long and can roll because of their round surface. Now the last question is, name any two fruits that are long and can roll. Think, think, think. Very easy. They are banana and cucumber. Both are long and can roll. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and eat healthy.